Hey guys, let's solve today's lead coding challenge. So today's September challenge started from 1st of the September. This is like a challenge. I have completed this, and now move it to September. Okay. So today's problem is error nesting. Let's open it. So it is saying you are given an integer array nums of length n, where nums is the permutation of the number in the range 0 to n minus 1. Okay. You should build a set s of k equal nums of k, nums of nums of k, nums of nums of nums of k. That type of set I have to build, subjected to the following rule. The first element in s of k with the selection of the element nums of k of index equal to k. Okay. Right. The next element of s of k nums of k, and then nums of k, and so on. We stop adding right before the duplicate element occurs in s of k. Return the longest length of set s of k. We have to return the longest length from. Okay. So we have to start from somewhere, go to that loop and stop it somewhere, right? Okay. So if I start, in this case, if I start from nums of 0, like if I choose k equal to 0, then start with nums of 0, then nums of 1 equal to 4, obviously nums of 2 equal to 0. This is the given. Okay. So longest set is nums of 0, go to 4, like it is 5, and then go to 5, nums of 5, then go to 6, nums of 6, then go to nums of 2, and then this is my set 5 6 2 0, and again after 2 I will get the duplicate at 0, so I will not. The cell length is quite high, 10 raised to power 5, so we have to solve it in the of n manner. Okay, we can't solve in n square. Like we can first method is we can build all the sets and let's take the maximum of their lengths, but that is not possible because of constraints of 10 raised to power 5. We have to do it in of n, not in n square. So all the valid nums is unique. Okay, it should be unique because it is giving also that range 0 to n minus 1 in the n. So here n equal to 6, then 3 3 6 7. Here n equal to 7, so 0 to 6 all permutations are there. Okay. So I am thinking of a solution which I have solved a question before, like fluid cycle, fast and slow pointer in the arrays point of view. Okay, so let's first take our n, add nums of size, and then after that I will think about that solution. So let's say I have started from 5, right? If I start from 5, then I will go to 5th place, right? Its 5th place is 3 1 4, okay. 6, okay, sorry, its 5th place is 6, so I will go to the 6, then I will go to from 6 to the 6th place, which is 2, and then from 2 to 2th place is 0, okay, and 0 to 0th place, which is again 5. So it is cycle of 4 length, right? So I can imagine like that, like we are going to 5 to 6, then 6 to 2, then 2 to 0, and then 0 to 5 again, right? So 5 is the start of the cycle, I can say. Okay, and I can also say that after 5 means other than this all also nodes which are also forming a cycle or not, I don't know, but let's have a look. I think it can form a maximum of 1 cycle. It's my thought. Let's look at this example again. So let's take the 4. Okay, so there is a another node called 4. Okay, from 4 we can go to 1, and then from 1 we go to 4 again. So this is also a cycle. 4 1 4 is also forming a cycle, and 5 to 6 0 5 is also forming a cycle, right? 5 okay, 5 6 0 5 and 4 1 4, right? Yes. Okay, let's take, can we think in the form of the graph, like there are two disconnected components and there is a one maximum connected component length. We need to find maximum connected components length. I can think like that only. So let's take second example as well. So there is 0 0 to 0, 1 to 1 and 2 to 2. All three are disconnected components, right? All three are disconnected components. Okay, 0 to 0 0 1 and 2, all disconnected. Let's take an custom example to understand its better way. So what I'm saying that let's assume like example लेते हैं, 1 like 0th पोजीशन से हम जा सकते हैं किसी फर्स्ट पोजीशन पे, लाइक 0 से कहीं 1 जा सकते हैं, 1 से फिर हम कहीं 2 जा सकते हैं, 2 से फिर हम कहीं 3 जा सकते हैं, 3 से कहीं हम वापस 0 जा सकते हैं. इस टाइप का कोई एग्जांपल लेना चाह रहा हूँ मैं, ताकि एक ही कनेक्टेड कंपोनेंट हो. तो इसके लिए हम करेंगे, यहाँ पे लिखेंगे 1 ताकि हम 1 पे जाएं. सबसे पहले 0 प्रिंट हो, फिर 0 पे 0 प्रिंट हो, फिर नम्स ऑफ 0 0. अच्छा, एरे बनाने में. ओके, तो एरे बनाते हैं हम इसकी. इस एग्जांपल के लिए एरे क्या होगी? सो टेक लाइक 1. अब 1 वाले कंपोनेंट पे गए तो वहां मिलेगा 2, 2 वाले पे गए तो वहां मिलेगा 3, 3 पे गए तो वहां मिलेगा वो 0 एंड अगेन 0 पे गए तो बनेगा 1, राइट? सो दिस इज एग्जांपल ऑफ वन connected component. Nice. So how can we solve that in the graph fashion? Okay, let's code in the graph fashion. Okay, so for solving graph fashion and finding the disconnected components, what I will say that I will make a graph of as I will make an undirected graph first of all. Okay, undirected graph, and I will use union find method to solve it. Okay, but for one component we have to run that algorithm. So another component we have to again run that algorithm. For third component we have to again run that algorithm. Okay, so let's see how can we generate an algorithm. So for union find method I have to write a find function. So quickly write it. Int find int vertex comma vector of int address of parent, and after taking the parent, if v equal parent of v means same node, then I will return v, else I will return my parent of v equal to find method of parent of v comma parent. This is simply doing path comparison. Basically, if I find the parent of v, then I will store it in the parent of v pointer and then I will return it. Okay, so for that purpose I will make also a parent array. Okay, so I will make a vector of int, name it as parent, and keep the size as n and keep 0. After that I will loop it around and make each one node its own parent. Okay, so parent of I equal to I. Nice. And I will take a vector also for visited array, vector of bool visited, like I have visited that indexes. Okay, and I will go from I double 0 I less than n I plus plus. In this fashion it is going to the n, and after that each visitor is going to the, let's say, so for int I double 0 I less than n I plus plus, what I will do, I will check if not visited of I. Okay, so I have to declare the size also here, n comma false. Nice. I will declare if not visited my, then I will try to maximize my run algo. So run algo एक कोई फंक्शन आ देता है, okay, and it will give me an integer value, so I will keep maximize it. Okay, so result equal to max of result comma run algo, and my result size is in the starting. I will declare int result equal to 0 somewhat. Nice. Then I will pass some argument in the run algo. I have to pass nums, I have to pass that I have to pass that parent array, and I have to pass visited array as well. Okay, let's make a function int run algo type function. It will take vector of int address of nums, then it will take our integer I, like starting point, it can be called I, no problem, and then it is taking a vector of int address of parent and vector of bool address of visited. Okay. Now I have the index from where I have to start. I have to mark that visited, I have to go forward. Okay, so first of all I will mark visited of I equal to true. Okay, now I have to see duplicate nodes, right? I have to count that back edge also, like back edge आया तो फिर हो गया अपना, right? Nice. बैक एज कब आएगा, जब अपन स्टार्ट से घूम के वापस स्टार्ट पे आ जाए, राइट? तो हम क्या करते हैं ना, यहाँ से एक स्टार्ट भी पास कर देते हैं, लाइक आई पास करते हैं, यहाँ पे अपन एक स्टार्ट ले लेते हैं कि हमने यहाँ से स्टार्ट किया था, ठीक है? अगर हम यहाँ पहुंच रहे हैं उसका मतलब है कि हो गया अपना लूप पूरा. सो इफ घूम के वापिस आए और यहीं पहुंच गए, देन लफड़ा है. अच्छा, नेक्स्ट अगर स्टार्ट हो तो हम जाएंगे, राइट? आई कैन डू दैट. सो इफ फर्स्ट इज nums of I and nums of I, I am going to nums of I equal start, then I will return 1, else I will pass that nums of I. Okay, start सेम रहेगा, काउंट वहां से होगा, पूरा लूप जाता है वापस आता है, ठीक है? तो आते में काउंट बढ़ा जाएगा, नहीं मतलब 1 से 2 का लूप, 2 से 1 का लूप है. तो हम क्या करेंगे, फर्स्ट call that 2 will give the answer 1 and I will give the answer 1, ठीक है? I will return 1 plus run algo and pass that nums. I will pass that I, not nums of I. Actually, I have to pass your nums of I. I have to start from nums of I, not from I, right? So here some nums of I, here also nums of I. and here also nums of I is not visited, right? Not visited, right? nums of I में खेलना I का कोई वजूद नहीं है यहाँ पे. Okay, visited right row. nums of I ये 3 लेवल हो गया. तो ये nums of I था, इसके ऊपर nums of I हमने लगा दिया. 2 लेवल काफी है ना. सेकंड लेवल पे जाना है. nums of I इक्वल स्टार्ट. हाँ ओके. नहीं तो हम क्या करेंगे, nums of I जो कि स्टार्ट नहीं है, पेरेंट एरे, visited array and start array. Why I'm making a parent and returning it, I don't know. Okay, let's return the result and check our sample test case. Let's run this. So I think it is going worst case lower from square again. It is saying is the correct answer. Run code. It is saying correct answer. Okay. एक तो लेंथ होगी. If I put one length, okay, it should be zero on. Let's put our sample test case which I have created 1, 2, 3, 0. Also, let's run this one. I think it should give TLE to me. This is the correct answer, but I think it should give TLE. Like, by the way, I am not using that. It should be deleting. I have to comment that, and I will comment that complete parent part also, and then I have to. Okay, let's check that. Oh, it is accepted. Yeah, thank you guys. Because we are visiting each node once, like in the BFS or DFS session. If we visit, then what I will do, that I have marked it. I will not visit that again. So I am running the elco for each connected components in the graph. We are also doing the same thing. So this should work in O of E plus B plus E edges in the graph, or O of n time complexity in this. Okay, so E is in order of n. Okay, in this question, so we can think of big of 2n its complexity. So it will. Yeah, thank you guys for listening.